Hello, we have another repair here. This is a relay replace for 4 Expedition. I think it's an 0604. The problem with these fuse boxes is the fuel pump relay. There is one of these, I don't know if you're able to see it here. Is this relay in the middle here. They overload and burn out. Then your car start shut it off or it don't start. There's a lot of problem with them. So first thing we have to do is take a picture of the locations of all the switches and relays. Then we need to disassemble the whole thing to replace the relay. Let me start taking it apart, and I'll be back when I finish. All right, we have the last one. Now we need to remove these bolts connection here. We press the little latch, push it in. There we go. Now, we know one of these little things here, we can start pressing down and pry this box when you have this little. Can do it slow and don't put too much force so we don't crack plastics here. Now we need to push this one in, and voila, it came apart. Oh my god, this one is really bad. I don't know if you're able to see it here. Right here, it's burnt out big time. For sure, this was the problem on this fuse box. Also,